Yeah, quick video on my 06 BMW 530i. Got a check engine light, checked it out, and I guess it's a misfire. It's a misfire on I think bank 3 or something like that. So what I'm gonna do, yeah, it's missing all the bolts. That's how I got it. One, two, three, four, five. So that one right there. So I'm gonna do them. I'll swap it out, and yeah, that one right there, pretty easy to take off. Oh, this thing's not. Things always get bent out of shape. Damn, I think I'm whooping my ass. That should be enough. Like I said, all you do is just lift the little tab up, and it should just come out. You can unplug it. It just pulls out. Come on. Like I said, it should just. There it is. Need a little help. Man, this thing really is getting on my nerves. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna need to change the spark plugs on this thing. It's gonna be a mission. You got to take all this plastic shrouding off, move all this stuff. Try to get to them back ones. Yeah. You don't clip it. Like I said, it should just come out. Just like that. Alright. Like I said, it's the original. This is the new one I got. Like I said, I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully that solves it, because it gives you a code, and oh yeah. Boom. Sure, all these are tight. Yeah, it's got another code for this freaking thing. It's got oil in it. Well, we got drenched with oil. I don't know if they changed the oil and messed it up, but yeah, that thing's messed up. So I gotta change the whole thing. Stupid grommets are really on there. It's because it's freaking cold. So that's the old one. Keep it just in case. So that should be put all this crap back. How does this go there? Something like that. That thing's hanging down. It's supposed to be tight. Yeah, it's got another issue too. It's got another issue. The battery, for some reason, keeps getting drained. Don't know what's causing that. So I'm thinking it's damn. Nothing. Thing's dead all the way. I'm gonna have to put the quick start on it. And like I said, it's been a damn. Oh snap. Alright. Everything's falling in this place. I don't know if it's gonna start, but let's try it. Oh. Almost. There it is. Got all kinds of malfunction, but not major. Yeah, so he's got the service engine. Service engine. But if I run the what do you call it, the scanner on it, it's probably just gonna come out that I can feel it right away. It was misfired. I don't feel that shaky no more. But it does have that I don't know what it is. It's a stupid sensor that goes in the engine. Yep. It's running smooth now. Oh. Yeah. That's one of the quick ones. If you get that, I forgot what coat it is. It tells you which which one is misfiring. So this one came out 5. So swapped it out, and like I said, yep. Hesitation is off, not misfiring. Just need to replace that other sensor. Should be good to go. Alrighty. Hope that helps somebody out. Peace.